Welcome to Beauty Tips and Tricks. Today I'll be sharing how to use hyaluronic acid correctly so you can get hydrated, plumper looking skin. Hi guys, today I'm back with another video and I want to share with you a simple beauty hack on how to use hyaluronic acid the correct way. This beauty hack will take your skincare game up a few notches. So I'm going to share it with you. Let's get into it. Hyaluronic acid actually can hold 1,000 times its weight in water. Now, the trick about using hyaluronic acid serum is that A, it must be applied on clean skin, and B, your skin must be wet to draw the moisture into your skin. So, on freshly cleansed skin, like my face, it's washed, there's nothing on it, I apply my hyaluronic acid serum. I personally like to use thermal water when I apply my hyaluronic acid, just because thermal water contains trace elements, it's soothing to the skin, it hydrates, and it's really good for the skin barrier. So my thermal water of choice is by the skincare brand Avène Thermal Water. It's on my French pharmacy skincare guide, and it's one of the best products that you will find. It's simple, but it is very, very effective. So what I do is I wet my face. I love the way this feels. It is so refreshing. I love doing this. This is probably one of my most favorite parts of my skincare routine. So while my face is still wet, I apply my hyaluronic acid serum. The one I'm using is by a Korean skincare brand called Rovectin, and this product contains 7 different types of hyaluronic acid. So the 7 different molecules penetrate your skin on different levels, and this product deeply hydrates. I've been using this product for almost 2 years, and it is one of my favorites. So here I go. I apply it on my face, everywhere, every part of my face. I even apply it around my eye area. That's another beauty hack that I do before I apply the serum, and then I put my eye cream. And I find that when I do this, my eye contour area is deeply hydrated, So that's another beauty hack that's thrown in there. So this will help to prevent crow's feet and fine lines and wrinkles from forming in the eye area. So I just lift up my hyaluronic acid serum to my eye contour area as well. And there you have it. You wait for it to dry, and then you follow up with the next step in your skincare routine. So there you have it, guys, my quick beauty hack on how to use hyaluronic acid. Trust me, this will take your skincare routine up several notches. So always make sure that your skin is wet. I will leave down in the description box the link to the products, to the Avène Thermal Water, and also to the Rovectin Hyaluronic Acid Essence. I will also give you the link to the blog post on the 10 best hyaluronic acid serums. So you got to go check those out. Remember to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, join the Patreon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.